game 2, this where the legend begins. My strategic rise, the kingpin / sportsman. How you niggas competing, they thinking it's competition. When the motive different, my hustle is intuition. You can watch the Renaissance and put real ones in position. Off my entry level, they putting me on that list, and this feels like the spirit of ox. I'm posted up, flashing money krills in my socks. See, I'm a web star for life and got ties to the block. The wall of ups and downs, still got love for the ops. I'm legendary, so keep calm, I've been the dawn. New era, New York, watch the world get involved. It's go time, soul's gon' show and prove. I said, fuck these niggas' feelings, I done paid dues. See these niggas confused about who's who. Salute the veterans here who made you. It's crunch time, nigga, when this all counts. Your access to the life, keys to the house. New York G, I walk with the weapon out. Had it poppin' here to the smallest town in the south. Had bricks in the car before you could GPS the route. Homie, this is all fact, nigga, this ain't word of mouth. Yeah, let's toast to the life. Let's toast to the money, we getting right. Yeah, let's toast to the ice. We toast to that money, we getting right. Yeah, let's toast to the life. We toast to that money, we getting right. Yeah, let's toast to the ice. Let's toast to the money, we getting right. Hey yo, let's toast to these haters, dick riders, spectators. Pray to the God, told they self that I never make it when I'm known for the bricks. Toss that body in the lake, shit so's 10 toes down. Niggas caught up in the matrix, moving off emotion, still moving off that fake shit. I'm still trying to match the interior with the bracelet. So listen to the gray spit, flame lit, embrace it. Game missing so I came to give it a facelift. Back at it, yeah, so from Webster Ave. See everything they doing, we created the path. See, you can't embrace the future, don't respect the past. I'm still MOE for life, fam, that's always been a stamp. Extort the strip and we split the stash. It's either get down or lay down, the toes get tagged. So who want war with Bishopvellie? It's still soaks and tucks, so we stay locked and ready. Yeah, let's toast to the life. Let's toast to the money, we getting right. Yeah, let's toast to the ice. We toast to that money, we getting right. Yeah, let's toast to the life. We toast to that money, we getting right. Yeah, let's toast to the ice. Let's toast to the money, we getting right.